to like a family thing. OnlyFam's kind of funny, but we're not gonna name it that. But that is a really funny name for it. You can play it before New Year's. I am trying to get one quick so I can give it to my dad for Christmas. I promised him a Lambo, so it's actually not for me. It's yeah. Obviously, I'm gonna charge my dad 10 times what I'd normally charge, and just tell him, sorry, Dad. I mean, a man's got to make a living, you know. As always, sorry, I had to wash my hands, so it takes longer. All right, this part looks cool. Laravel resolves them routes or controllers actions whose type hinted variable names match a route segment name. Okay, I like it. Since the user variable is type hinted as app models user, equivalent model, and the variable name matches user, Laravel will automatically inject the model instance that has an ID matching the corresponding model. Okay. Okay. Of course, implicit binding is also possible when using controller methods. Again, note that the user URI matches the user variable and controller. User controller, show user. Sweet. Very cool. That's very cool. Oh, the PHP thing? Oh, this is why we were getting the, that, like... Is that why we got the class thing messed up? I don't know, that's okay. Anyways, okay. I don't know. It's okay. We're past that. I'm not worried about it. With trashed. Okay, cool. So let's just try this. Do we have a user? We have a model that has a user. Okay, use has authenticatable. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Now we're talking. We got a lot of stuff here. Let's try and make our own model. Okay, let's make our own model. You're unapologetically practical. That's what we're trying to do. First half of the day, we're building a game engine in OCaml. Second half of the day, we're building a website with PHP. Okay. Artisan make model. Okay. Artisan make model. Is it gonna... Okay, let's just call this one chatters. Which would you like any of the following? Database seeder? Oh, there's like a lot of stuff on this. Anyway. Okay, so I'll just put all of these in. I don't care. I just want to see. You know what I mean? Let's just see. Chatters PHP. Okay, so how do I give it some fields? We need to go to models, apparently. Models. Eloquent ORM. We gotta be here, I'm assuming. Getting started. Okay. Yep. They all have a model. Add to the migration. Form request is where you validate the request data. Okay, we'll get to all of them. You can implement before New Year's. I am trying to get one quick so I can give it to my dad for Christmas. I promised him a Lambo. So it's actually not for me. It's for my dad. So, yeah. So that should make it good, right? Okay, so I see what you're saying. Here's all of the like controller resource requests. You can pass in stuff all. Yeah. Show. Cool. Eloquent model conventions. Okay. Table names. Flight. By convention, the snake case plural names will be the table name. Sweet. Okay. So sorting the flight table, air traffic controllers. Excellent. That makes perfect sense. Yeah, we have plenty of time before Christmas to get the Lambo, so I think it should be good. Protected table, my flights. Oh, this is how you could override it. Okay, makes sense. Primary keys. Protected primary key is flight ID. Okay. Protected primary key is Chad ID. Okay, in addition, algorithms that the primary key is an incrementing integer value, which means that algorithm will automatically cast the primary key to an integer. If you wish a non-incrementing or non-numeric, you need to define incrementing as false. Okay, incrementing is good for now. Okay, that's fine too. Composite primary keys. Okay, cool. You may choose to use UUIDs. I do like UUIDs. I prefer them. We do in PHP? Yeah, we're trying it out. No Lambo yet? James, it's in the mail. It's not overnight shipping. You know what I mean? I don't live in San Francisco, so we don't get overnight on every single Amazon package. Any book recommendation for Golang? I don't. You could do like Thorsten's books. Thorsten? Those are good. You will learn some stuff about Golang. Oh, why are we doing PHP? I want to try Laravel. Using has UUIDs. Oh, sweet. Okay. So is it has UUIDs. Okay, nice. We'll do this as well. I don't actually need, like, the ID one is fine. There's got to be a REPL, right? How do I get like a REPL to just run random PHP stuff to like test it out, right? Like I want to put something inside of this model. PHP artisan tinker. So then I would probably need to do like use like app. Is this loaded already? Can I do like chatters? Use app. What is it called again? How do I load stuff from here? App, models, chatter. Chatter. All. App models chatter not found. Is it because it's not like imported anywhere or anything yet? Oh, you're right. Good call. I probably need to restart this now because I think I scuffed it. Okay, we'll try again. Wait, is it models chatters? Okay. Class chatter not found. Okay, so this is still chatters. That makes sense. Yep. Could not find driver. Select star. Okay, so we don't have MySQL installed, I guess. If I just do MySQL, you think it's going to work? MySQL install Linux. I can use SQLite. Why would I want to use MySQL versus SQLite for layer? Like, if everyone's using MySQL, then we should also just do it, right? PHP MySQL. Oh, okay. Yeah, we can try. Smart. Connection. Oh, that's because it's not running, right? How do I even how would I even start this? I don't even know how to do this. I do have PHP. Oh, maybe I need to restart this. Maybe because I did something crazy. No, not. How do I get my SQL to start? In the INI. Okay, where is that? Use Laravel how to use Docker. You do not need to have MySQL on your machine. Okay, so maybe we will just start using Laravel Sail, but I was hoping to like put a few more pieces together for me, but we can just do Sail. You don't need to import the model, by the way. It's in Tinkers and... Oh, really? Okay, let's try it. Just so that we can see this. Chatters. I don't mind doing this. Yeah, we'll check out the docs for this. Have DB setting on .m, then run migrate maybe. Yeah, connection refused. That makes sense. Default DB connection, MySQL. Got it. So I can just change this to be Sqlite or something like this, right? Did this not work? DB connection. We can just say Sqlite. Yes. Pragma foreign keys on. Could not find driver. Oh, I probably got to do PHP or sudo apt install PHP 8.1 Sqlite. Yep. Okay. Very cool. Okay. Very cool. So then this should do nothing. Because you commit your config, now you're out env. Yeah, I know how to use .env. I opened it right now because this is the default generated one. So I don't have to worry about a bunch of I mean, I'm assuming. You need to add DB foreign keys is true to .env if you like to use foreign keys. Okay. DB foreign keys true. How would you do anything without foreign keys? You need a migration to create chatters table. Chatters. I thought I made one. Migrations. Create chatters. Why are you doing this? What? Full namespace without adding use. Okay, that's okay. We'll do this. We'll do this. Nice. There we go. So now I can do chatters. What was it? Create again? Vegan, we're going to ship some real websites here. We're going to ship some real websites. Where was the, like, creating an ID one here? Create. Create. I don't know. Do I just do this? Daytime mismatch. Created at, updated at, chatters. Oh, because this expects it to be, this expects it to be an integer. Yeah, I don't have any fields, right? I'm wondering if this is because I did the UUIDs thing. We'll be back on OCaml in the morning. I think it's because I did this, though. Right? Table UUID. Oh, right here? Okay. But then I need to remove my DB, right? This Laravel thing is my database, right? Fresh, that's cool. Chatters, create, right? Table chatters, no column ID. Oh, what? Has UUIDs. Right? This isn't right. Oh, just this. Okay. Oh, or it's column like this. Got it. No big deal. Yeah, it's just true. You know what I mean? It's just true. Get ready for Laravel to absolutely take over Twitch. Lambo is in the mail. You just send the first thing that comes to your mind. Laravel is making it so easy to make websites. I just post whatever comes to my head. It doesn't even matter. Lambo 2 on the way. Laravel, by the way. Lambo 3 changed for Lambo 4. Exactly. Because of a Rambo. How have we not bought this? How can I buy this ticker? How can I buy that ticker? You know what I mean? Oh. Make a new crypto coin called By the Way. Dude, I want to so bad. Okay, well, this is very cool. This is very cool. Sweet. And we still have an hour, chat. Laravel to the moon, exactly. Easier and more efficient for index. Oh, nice. Okay. Unique method on the model. Okay, I'm not worried about that. We should maybe use ULIDs yields. However, they're only 26 characters in length. Oh, that's okay. Western. I don't use TMUX, so I only use Western taps basically. Can I join the crypto scam? Yeah, of course. As someone who's buying in, not someone who's doing the rug pulling. Began, what happened to all those apes? I almost tagged you, but I was worried that you lost your ape, so I didn't want to say anything. But now hopefully you have to admit to everyone. Oh, cool. Okay. VS. What? Duet AI? I don't even know what that is. Okay, so you can customize a bunch of the different stuff here. By default, all default database connections configured. If you expect different. Oh, that's cool. So you can have multiple different connections, and then they can only connect to whatever's going on. Since when you got partner? I've been partner for like I don't know, a long time. Vegan, when did I turn partner? I don't know, like a year or two ago, almost maybe. Laravel's kind of cool. That's what I've been saying. It's been a while. Yeah. Default attributes. Okay, cool. And attribute I always place in should storable format, so they're just read from the database. Okay, cool. Figuring eloquent strictness. Prevent lazy loading accepts that indicates lazy should be prevented. For example, you may wish to only disable lazy loading in non-prod environments. I don't even know what lazy loading is, so we'll have to come back to that later. An exception when attempting to fill an unfillable attribute. This can help prevent unexpected errors during local development. All times that have not been added to fillable. Not there yet either. Okay. Okay, nice. For each of all the flight things, surely we can query. Nice. Where, active, order by name, take 10, get. Cool. We're doing Laravel, unironically. So we'll need to get to queries eventually. That's fine. Refreshing. If you already it was retrieved, you can refresh it. Oh, cool. Fluent collection methods. Okay, we'll have to check that out as well. Collections. Nice. We're here. As all and get retrieve multiple records. These don't return a plain PHP. Instead, collections returned. Oh, nice. Okay. Good. That's good. Nice. So this like filters these basically. This doesn't happen in the database, obviously, though, right? Laravel. Who hurt you? Nobody hurt me. I'm excited to try it. But they should be paying me. Jersey, get your connections. In memory. Okay, that's what I thought. I don't know how it wouldn't be in memory, but I would just wanted to confirm. Get Taylor on the line. Get Taylor on the line. I just don't get a billion views. Jersey, I'm waiting. Surely Statomic wants to sponsor this stream, right? Laravel work brought to you by Statomic, or however you say your guys' website. I always read it as Statomic, but now I'm feeling like that can't be how it's said, right? Or is it? Because I don't read the middle letters sometimes. So that part's tough. Statamic is static plus dynamic. Statamic then. That's how I'm supposed to say it. I was actually right with the right letters, right? People are so cringe with the PHP is dead joke. Yeah, but it's okay. People still make jokes about not being able to exit Neovim. Stay Tamic. I don't know which way now. Oh, cool. Chunking? If you attempt to load tens of thousands of Eloquent records, there's no way chat has tens of thousands of rows. That's not happening. You guys are fine. You can just skip this section. Statamic. I don't have any recommendations for browsers. Dynamic plus static. That's good. That's good. Working large number of others for chunk is number of records used for chunk. You're filtering the results of chunk. Chunk by ID 200 function. Flights each update departed is false. Okay, interesting. We'll come back to these later. Where departed is true, each update departed is false. Okay. Cursor significant when iterating through tens of thousands. Only execute a single database query. The individual not hydrating until they're actually iterated over. Need to eagerly load relations. Interesting. Okay, we'll figure out a bunch of these later. I'm not super worried about a bunch of these. Okay, well, let's look at this though. Select destination, add select, last flight. So we're going to select a name where the column is this, order by arrived at limit 1. Destination, destinations.id. Okay, so this is my destination model. In this case, we have a destination ID. We're going to link these two. So what is this actually arrived at? I don't know. One of Taylor's main things is wanted the doc's perfect remix comments code with 3 lines, and each line is a little shorter than one. Yeah, I know. I've heard about that, Joshua. Yeah. This is a subquery. Right. Yeah, I guess I would just need to see some of the other ones. We'll come back to some of these later. I'm not super like worried about it. Some ignore it. It's like select ID, select. Oh, okay, nice. Yep. Yep, that makes sense. Find a model by its primary key. Retrieve the first model matching the query constraints. Nice. Alternative to retrieving first model matching the query constraints. Flight first where active is 1. Oh, dang. Prime, you did a long stream today. Because you were on early. What the beans? What's up, Prime? We're making, OCaml's getting a little too popular. We're going to make PHP popular. He's gone. He's not even going to talk to me. Of course. All right. Oh, dang. Hey, thanks, Torpedo. He had to pee. That's never stopped his stream before. Semi-quickly. That happens. Game engine PHP? No. So lately, chat. So for those of you who know, my name's Tej. I hang out on Prime, stream a lot as well, of course. This morning, we worked on a game engine, custom game engine in OCaml. And this afternoon, we're learning about Laravel. Time to stream with a working webcam. Oh, don't say stuff like that. My webcam's gonna die now too. So yeah, I'm a NeoVim core dev. I helped make Telescope. I stream. Backslashes and paths. I know, but we already fixed the problem. Watch this. We can just make them disappear with NeoVim. We'll just make them look like forward slashes. We can just pretend. We can just pretend, chat. It doesn't matter. We can just pretend. And then you can see that they're not when you put your cursor on them. Yes. 400 IQ moves. Yeah. We can fix PHP one NeoVim extension at a time. Oh, hey, thanks, Spyro. Nice. Yeah, so in the morning, though, this week... Wait, didn't you hear the whole thing? Did you say you're tired of OCaml? No. I was just memeing. We're still doing OCaml. Don't worry. We did... Can you get... We could get rid of the $sign. We could hide the $sign as well. We could hide the $sign. We could, like, underline the variables or something instead. So this morning, we worked on our OCaml game engine here. You guys want to see the OCaml game? Here you go. Look at this. We got to run away from the Erlang mobs. Okay. But look at this. Look at this. Oh, we ran into it. We died. Give me a clap, chat. That's a custom game engine for OCaml. Okay. Custom game engine for OCaml. Oh, dang. Thanks, Leah. That's funny. So that's what we worked on this morning. It's pretty cool. It's a entity component system. We're writing it all by ourselves, doing a lot of goofy stuff with that. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So that's the mornings. Entirely impractical. Not getting very much done. Fully functioning game engine, etc. And then this afternoon, we've been learning Laravel. So that's kind of what's going on. And Rooster, hey, thanks for the sub as well. So, yeah, what was Prime up to today? That's funny, Dev. Postgres? Postgres. That's funny, Dex. Not an F sharp. Sorry, not an F sharp. I want to make a site with working at APM. Oh, nice. I want to make something for sharing photos with my family, basically. That's pretty much what I want to do. That's the really short pitch of what's going on. I can give you the long pitch if you're interested to know about it, but I wanted to try Laravel to try a more like fully featured thing to explore. Long pitch? Okay, we can do the long pitch since we got a lot of new people. Basically, what I would like to do is... so right now, my family, we have a few shared Google Photos albums for sending pictures to the rest of my family. Right? Mostly like of our kids. Because I don't post any pictures of my kids online. So I don't want to do it on social media or anything. I just like literally only want like this list of 10 people to 15 people to like be able to see the photos, right? Oh, hey, thanks Mitchie. But the problem with it that's pretty annoying is basically like there's no good way to basically like create separate sort of sub albums, right? We're like from the Netherlands, but not like recently. So yeah. Nice, JD. Self-hosted Google Photos. It's really nice. Oh, interesting. Okay. I'm probably going to try and write my own for fun. Yeah, so that's not really like the problem, right? Is a hype train is close. A hype train is close. Is it a gold? We're not going to make it though. It's like 2 seconds away. It's going to go away. That's all right. So it's very similar to like Google Circles from Google Plus and some things like that. Yeah, from Google Plus. Similar ideas. Can't speak any Dutch, no. But like my family is pretty Dutch, I guess, like by ancestry. Except my mom's adopted, so it's a little complicated. But so basically, I want a lot of the things sort of from Google Plus photo sharing. But people will basically pay for it as a photo backup service. Right? I can't speak any Dutch, sorry. But what was I gonna say? Okay, I forgot because I got the Dutch thing. Right. So then basically, right, like the idea is there's no ads or I want to like have this for me and then maybe other people will use it too. Makes sense now. PHP is big in the Netherlands. I didn't know that. React Native after? I don't know what we'll do. Well, no, for my family, I'm gonna run it, right? But like I'm saying, if it turns out to be good and I like it, I will allow other people to use the service as well, right? So like then other people would pay for it as well. Yeah, obviously I'm going to charge my dad 10 times what I'd normally charge and just tell him, sorry, Dad. I mean, a man's got to make a living, you know? So anyway, so that's kind of like the general goal. No, chat. Obviously, each circle is invite only. I would like to have it be open source where you can run it yourself, but I would like to make a paid one where I host, basically. Right? Did that make sense? right? So like you would, by default, when you like open up the website, you don't see any photos. You can only get invited to like a family thing. OnlyFam's kind of funny, but we're not gonna name it that. But that is a really funny name for it. So like that's kind of the idea. There's no like social features. It's kind of like a group chat. In some ways, yes, it will be like similar to a group chat kind of idea, but the problem is basically like the thing is like group chats aren't focused around managing photos over long term, right? You know what I'm saying? Laravel Jetstream. Yeah, I saw Jetstream on there. We'll try some of the Laravel stuff, right? Imagine Laravel stuff, Phoenix. Yeah, sorry, Ryan. I do want to try Elixir at some point though still, so don't worry. So like there's no sort of like photo management, right? In a lot of these other ideas. Sweet, see you, Ryan. Why did you pick Laravel over Symfony? Cause Jersey Milker. That's the only reason. I haven't found anything that does exactly what I want to do, Jake. And also I thought it would be fun to try and build it. So like I think we could build something that's pretty cool. So that's kind of the main idea. And why PHP, not something like DHH-lang or Python? I want to try Laravel. Or is an app equipment that move? Aura is an app plus equip. I don't know what you mean, Razzle. Can you send me a link? You make it so that someone shares an album, I can hide, ignore certain photos. Sometimes I get a dump and only want to see 3 or 4 photos when I visit the album later. Can you make it so someone shares an album? Wait, say it again, Bisco. I'm confused. What definition will it store said pics? What? What are you? Wait, what? Aura frames. Holiday sale. What is this? What is this link? Oh, yeah. Yes, similar to some of these other ideas, like a digital photo frame. Yep. Wedding management app at the moment, and just doing the shared album feature where all guests contribute. Oh, nice. That's a good idea, Tinkerer. Yeah. Oh, tips to break into the field. Yeah. I need a little more like info. Nectar. Like what is your like background? Are the albums made via CRUD/app or just mirrors the directory structure? I'm not sure yet. Want to share on private social media accounts. I don't want it to be on a social media site. I don't want to send the pictures to Google if I don't have to. Ideally, I would stop backing up all my photos to Google and I would use something else, right? Make a mega undo. I don't know what to say to that comment at all, actually. So you go for you, yeah. I'm not sure how we're gonna store it yet. Thanks, Nightshade. Mega undo, $1 billion idea. Yes, although I don't think like Amazon is doing the same things with just everything that's stored to S3 that like Google is, like on Google Photos, right? I don't know. I think it's a nice idea. I think it would work pretty nice. Are you even thinking of this sort of project? I mega undid that message. Nice. Oh, sweet, Macedonia. I used to work with someone from Macedonia. Very cool. I've been thinking about the idea for a while. What, Bisco, you sent another one? Okay, so you share an album with me with 100 photos. I want to, on my account, hide, say 90 of them. So whenever I view the album, I will see 10 left over by default. Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay, I got you, Bisco. Yeah. Ideally, we would have like a album view as well as like an activity view, right? And the activity view would only show you like new stuff that comes in, right? So that you can sort of like just see what's new and like see new comments and stuff. So that you can like interact with your family on it, right? Photo Prism? I don't know. Photo Prism. How's your life in pictures? AI powered photo app for decentralized web. This doesn't sound like what I'm gonna build. My dad will send me a photo dump of our camp tree. We only care about the few with him and my dog. Yes, I got you, Bisco. Yeah. So you're just saying like, I don't want to ever see this one again. I don't care. That is a great feature idea, Bisco. That is a really great. Yes, kind of like Instagram feed with mixed G plus circles. Yes, similar idea. The other thing is stuff like, okay, so here we'll just. Okay, we don't need any of this, I don't think. So features, we'll just put some features here because Bisco makes a good point. This one from Bisco, thanks Bisco. Basically like hide photos, don't want to see again, right? That's a good one. But one of the things I want to do, so sort of I can like say this, right, is you can make a group of people, right? And then what you can do is you can share albums with groups of people or like circles, right? Because the main problem I have is like there's a bunch of stuff where I have things like for Neil, right? Inverses to favorite photos. Yeah, you should also have favorite photos as well. Yeah, of course, that makes sense. Photos. Do you make several liners, relative and set number and set relative number? Yeah, of course. Yeah. So like I wasn't going to write down everything, but we can write down comments. You want to be able to like /heart, right, etc. Choose PHP because of that. I chose PHP for Laravel. It's because of conceal. Oops. It doesn't really matter. I'll change it later. How would you have image tagging? Oh, image tagging is a good idea. Both like so you could have image tagging like for why is this so scuffed today for image tagging for like people as well as sort of like ideas. I don't know why this is so weird. Did PHP mess this up? I'm finding the ORM. I'm literally like just starting reading about it. I use Neovim nightly. Would you have facial recognition? I don't think I want to do any AI stuff on it. Abs the Barbarian. Hey, thanks for the sub. Maybe we can view images inside of a group instead of creating a subgroup. Maybe limit who can view images inside of a group instead of creating subgroups. I don't know. We'll have to think about it. Do they have to be invited? Yeah, so you literally the only way to have anything on the thing is you get invited by someone. I'm not interested in having 1 million users. You know what I mean? Like, I have been working in Sqlite for 5 years and still actually never seen PHP go to a PHP. Oh, interesting, Maurice. Yeah. Without AI, what a caveman. Did anyone try out Quan Helix? They're cool. It's not just Vim. They're very different ideas. Trees are part, but can't figure it out. Oh, that's a little bit hard. The blade one is a little bit weird. I just did it today, but it's up. So the main thing is like you have to do like some shenanigans with getting parser configs and then putting blade inside of it. But then even that's not super easy. I would be interested in monetizing it, Jake, but like, is it photo? It would be photos and videos, yeah. But like, it would be paid. Like, I don't want to do anything with ads or anything else. Will people in the circle be able to share pics with the people outside the circle? I'm not sure. Tag groups. Yeah, I guess you could also like tag groups. What is going on? I blame PHP for this. I don't know what's going on. You might need AI after all for content filtering. Yeah, so we'll do like a single pass of some stuff at the beginning to basically like to make sure that people aren't uploading anything like that we wouldn't want to have on there, right? I know it's not PHP. It just wasn't. I don't know why it's doing that today. So it's but it's whatever. It's fine. You uploaded pictures and personalized ads. Yes, I'm aware that we're going to do exactly the opposite of that. We encrypt. I don't know. We're posting Ds. Exactly. We do not want the Ds. Stream with new Twitch meta? What? Oh, but I got it, Buggy. How'd you filter? Yeah, so you would... Public photos might be good if you just wanted to share one image or an album via link, but there's potential bandwidth issues. Yeah, so I would just literally say you can't. At least to start with. Hey, thanks 372. Right, like, at least to start, we'd have to see. Or, like, it would be a different account tier to, like, be able to send it out. Basically, like, the idea is I want to make it so, like, part of the pitch, right, is basically, like, so also, like, it will probably be open source and you can run for yourself. I don't care. Ideally, Bisco, I will have a mobile app to auto sync if it gets far enough. But like the pitch of the whole thing is basically like, don't get spied on. You own the pictures. You pay for the pictures. That's it, right? That's basically like the idea, right? Like you're going to pay to get them uploaded and stored, right? I'm not going to look at it. I don't care. All we're going to do is run like, you know what I'm saying? Like we're going to run something to make sure that there's nothing illegal getting uploaded. Flutter's pretty interesting. We could try it, but I don't know. We'll see. Right? Like, so there will be like a one pass like thing. Maybe you pay to store the pictures. Yeah. Right? Yeah, we might do like encryption or other stuff like that, right? Here's the thing, chat. I don't care if this doesn't make $1 billion. How about $1 million? $1 million would be cool. Yeah, so nuts. I mean, that's basically like, yeah, so I used Look at Me. And that reason, I'm out. Can someone else use it to make money? I'm not, we may make a more restrictive license so that other people can't resell. Can you provide storage with sharing and no scan though, legally? I don't know. I will do my best to make sure that like, we will at least scan when you upload, basically, right? Like, I don't want to make something that people can do bad things with, right? Have a pricing strategy? No idea yet. No idea what the pricing strategy would be. I'd have to see how expensive it is, right? So anyways, this is just sort of the general idea, right? A sale plus min.io for local storage. Use it to flush out storage functionality. You can swap min.io with ADO. Oh, cool. Okay. Min.io. Yeah, like we're far away from it running, chat. I don't know what this is. If you use such data, they would be scanning the files for anything on Tor, but that also defeats. Well, I still think like having stuff on AWS and just like stored as a file is much more private than like uploading to Google Photos, right? Right, Jake? Like certainly it's not 100%. Right? Yeah, I know. I am worried about losing people's photos. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm definitely worried about that. So like we can do other things, right? Like I'm not saying we're going to put it on S3. I have no idea. I've never built a website. I don't even know. 99.9. You understand what I'm saying, chat? Like, we'll get there. Jetstream will be better than Breeze for what you need. Okay, why? Just create my S3. Okay. All right. Now we're talking. Jetstream comes with Teams, which can be used as circles. Yes. Right. So that's basically, we're going to Not even web dev. I know, that's what I said. Your own hardware you're never going to avoid. Right, yeah. For losing photos, you just have 2 trash cans. 2, I definitely want to delete this. Yeah. I meant more like critical bug deletes photos on accident. More like that kind of thing. Not like they accidentally click delete. Yes, more of the RMRF size one. They don't really want the photos anyways, exactly. Oops. I can already see it now. Buy a house in each continent, fill it up with magnetic tape, sell storage. Exactly. If exclusive is going to be the hard part. Publishers, Cloud Vision API. Yeah, there exists ones that already work, right? So you would just put it through there as you upload them. Yeah, I know, Jake. That one is that one's tough. That one's tough. So I'm looking for, what am I looking for? Jetstream? That's the starter kit? What are we what Laravel Jetstream? Okay, so you're saying I should try this at some point. Not even you can get the pictures. Exactly. We might use HTMX, but what's up? Okay. I'm gonna go play in the snow with my son. Sorry, chat. So see you later.